encourage innovation and entrepreneurship, the Commerce and Industry Ministry's Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT, is hosting Startup India Innovation Week, which begins on January 10.
Startup India Innovation Week begins, and what is the primary goal of this event?
It's been 7 years since Startup India initiative was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi back in 2016. It's been a fantastic journey so far, making India the third largest unicorn nation with 107 unicorns and more than 86,000 startups as of today. It is a celebration of entrepreneurship, it is a celebration of startup ecosystem across these 7 days from 10th to 16th Jan.
As part of the Startup Innovation Week, a 2-day workshop for women entrepreneurs was organized at Kerala Startup Mission, Kochi.
Kerala Startup Mission has been collaborating with Startup India for quite some years right now, and currently we are hosting this state workshop for promoting women entrepreneurs from Kerala. We have been supporting them along their journey to start and scale and grow.
The session covered Startup India initiative and its schemes and benefits, capacity building session on product validation, market entry, brand building, fundraising, and many more.
I was here to speak about my journey, entrepreneurial journey, and I was trying to kind of to convey the fact that keep doing mistakes, because mistakes are a proof that you are trying to at least do something. So that is a kind of message that I wanted to tell people. Don't fear about be afraid of doing wrong, and there is nothing called failure, because sometimes you learn, sometimes you win, but you never fail.
So I think entrepreneurs need to tell more of their stories to reach more people, and most of them are like focused on the idea, sometimes building the product, getting the first set of customers. At the same time, they have to create a backstory, create a purpose, and get to know how to communicate it better with people. That is exactly what we were trying to work with, especially women entrepreneurs today on National Startup Day, organized by Startup India and Kerala Startup Mission.
Financial concerns എല്ലാ ബിസിനസ്സുകാർക്കും ഉണ്ട്. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് സ്റ്റേജിൽ എങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും, എങ്ങനെ കൊണ്ടുപോകും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ചിന്തയായിരിക്കും കൂടുതലുണ്ടാവുക. അപ്പം എന്തിനൊക്കെയാണ് ഫണ്ട് വേണ്ടത്, അത് ഒരു പ്രയോറിറ്റി ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ റൈറ്റ് ഡൗൺ ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു പ്ലാൻ തയ്യാറാക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ we might as well have a clear idea on how we can go understand the financial requirements and the amount that is required and all that.
Khushbu Verma from Startup India discussed how startups are benefiting from income tax reforms.
What are the tax reforms put forward by Startup India, and how is it benefited to these startups?
After getting the unique ID number, that is the DIPP unique ID number, so the startups can also apply for the tax exemptions, like within a span of 10 years, and the startups can choose 3 consecutive years, and which the startup do not need to pay income tax for that 3 years.
The National Startup Awards 2022 winners will be recognized on January 16, which is National Startup Day.
Let the world hear about your brand through Channel IAM.